Hello everyone, my name is HARSHIT and you're watching Digital Suncity. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to allow users to add their phone numbers in contact forms in WordPress. So let's get started. Before getting started, ensure that you successfully install and activate the Formidable Form plugin, as we are using Formidable Forms for this video tutorial. Now, all you need to do is simply click on Formidable in the sidebar. As you can see, the Formidable Forms window will appear. You can either add a new form or can edit an existing form as per your requirements. As I want to edit an existing form, I will simply go to New Form and will click on Edit under that. You will now see a form builder window has appeared. I will simply delete the fields which I don't want anymore. Once done, let's drag and drop the phone field from the given fields like this. Clicking on it, you can configure the field settings. You can edit the label name. You can make this field mandatory. Everything can be customized. You can also configure the advanced field settings by simply clicking over it. You can now fill these various fields according to your requirements. For example, you can set the default value. Add a placeholder text like this, can adjust field size and also write descriptions to make it simple for your viewers. You can also customize the validation message. We will now select required, and once done, click on update and your form will be updated successfully. You can also preview the form on a blank page to check the functionalities. So you can see we have successfully added phone field in our contact form. So this is how we can add a phone number field in contact forms in WordPress. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.